There's nothing better than a nice cool drink on a hot summer day. Cheers. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. For those of you that are stopping in for the very first time, welcome, and I'm so pleased to have you here today. In today's video, I decided to do a quick pop-up video with you guys, and I am going to take you in the kitchen with me, and we're going to do a quick cook with me. I'm going to cook a quick little summer dessert that I like to fix during the summertime, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. So now I'm just showing you the cake mix that I'm going to be using by Duncan Hines. It is their Lemon Supreme. And so I am just pouring in the batter, pre-mixed batter, into my mixing bowl here. And I got some caught in the bag, so I'm just shaking it out and make sure everything's out. Now I am adding 1 cup of water. And I'm going to start off with my hand mixer to kind of soften the ingredients as I add them in one by one. But later you'll see that I will be using an electric mixer. So I'm just giving it a good spinning, and I'm tilting the bowl over so you can see what it looks like. So now I'm adding, I think this is 1/3 cup of oil. I decided to use olive oil instead of the vegetable oil that was recommended. I find that the olive oil actually makes the cake more spongy and softer to my taste. So now I am adding in 3 eggs. I think these eggs are medium in size, not quite sure. So I'm just giving it a little quick tap on the side of the mixing bowl, and they crack easily. And then after I get the eggs all cracked and into this mix, as you can see, I'm just giving it a real nice little hand mix. And I just tilted the bowl over so you can get a view of what everything is looking like so far. So I want to tell you the story about this mixer here. This mixer is by Black & Decker, and if I am remembering correctly, I think this blender is at least 20 plus years old. And I didn't spend a lot of money on this mixer, and it's lasted, and it is still lasting until this day. Isn't that awesome? What happened to appliances that last for a long time? This is a quality product, and I'm not going to get rid of it. I don't care what color it turns into. I'm going to keep this mixer as long as it keeps mixing my ingredients. So now I am just taking the batter and pouring it into this rectangle glass cooking pan. And I think this pan is by Anchor. I like using glass products by Anchor. They are good, solid, and heavy pieces that Anchor makes. And then after this, I am going to just smooth it out. Just make sure the batter is evenly distributed throughout the cake pan here. And I'm just turning it so I can get make sure everything is nice and smooth and even. And I'm going to pop it into the oven. Okay, you guys, now the cake is in the oven. I've set it for 22 minutes at 350 degrees because my oven was already preheated and nice and hot, so it's not going to take that long to bake. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare my strawberries. And the cake that I put in the oven is a Lemon Supreme cake. And so I'm not going to use traditional icing. I'm going to use Cool Whip and just cut up some fresh strawberries on top as the topping. So stay tuned. So I just removed this cake from the oven, and as you can see, it is golden brown, and oh my goodness, it smells so wonderful in my kitchen right now. It's a sweet lemony smell, and what I'm going to do is just let this cool down for a few minutes. I'm going to cut some slices for myself and my husband, and I am going to add some Cool Whip and those fresh cut strawberries that I chopped up a few moments ago. So stay tuned, you guys, and I'm going to let you see what it looks like all put together. Look, you guys, my husband's been fishing again. Look at this catfish. He is as long as the cooler that he's sitting on. Oh my goodness, look at this catfish. Oh, look at him, he's big. Now my husband's getting ready to skin him. Look at him. Look at my husband playing with his toys. The fish that he caught today. Cool. This is the smaller catfish that he caught, so I'm just showing you the difference in the sizes. What kind of catfish is this? Is the catfish that my husband cut up into nuggets, because he's getting ready to fry these and make us some delicious catfish nuggets. And this contains that huge catfish and the small one combined. So we got a lot of meat here. Stay tuned. Has finished cooking these catfish nuggets. Don't they look delicious? Oh my goodness. I just got to taste one. Let me try one for you. Here, take a bite. Mmm. Delicious. What do you think? A serving for two. One for me and one for my husband. Do you think he's going to like it? All right, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you're stopping in for the very first time, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button, like, and share my video. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.